For somebody going through tough times. For somebody struggling just to keep your head above water. You're trying, you're fighting, but things just don't seem to work out the way you planned. You thought you'd be in a different place at this season in your life, but you're still suffering. You have no say in what happens to you, but trust me, you do have a say in what you do about it. You have a determining voice. You have a say in where your life can go. You see, life is 10% what happens to you and 90% what you do about it. You get a setback. You get thrown off course. You lose your mama. That's dirt. But let me tell you something. Show me one thing, just one, that ever grew into something beautiful without having dirt on it. You need dirt on you to develop, because dirt ain't just dirt. Dirt is fertilizer. Dirt is nutrient. Dirt gives your seed the strength to push through. You must have dirt on you to push through something. Everything you see that's beautiful starts as a seed. But that seed, it's got to get covered in dirt. You've got to have dirt on you to grow into what life's got waiting for you. The only thing I want from you, the only thing, is that every single day when uncertainty creeps in, I need you to get up and I need you to go heavy on it. In the midst of opposition, in the midst of challenges, in the midst of adversity, when you taste a little bit of blood, when something happens that you didn't expect, I need you to go heavy on it. You got to be willing to go after your stuff. You got to be willing to chase after whatever's got your name on it. Sometimes you got to fight your way over. Sometimes you got to fight your way through. Sometimes you got to look in the mirror and say, listen, I don't have anybody else to encourage us right now. It's just me and you. But I'm telling you, you're the head and not the tail. And I'm fighting for me, or my house, or my children, or my brothers, or my sisters, or my husband, or my vision, or my dream. I'm gonna stand right here, and I ain't giving up my children. I'm not giving up my money. Stand up. You can't keep quitting your whole life. You can't keep backing up. You can't keep training for a comeback, but never stepping forward. Taking 2 steps forward and 3 steps back. After a while, something in your life has to be worth standing through. Sicknesses you stood through, struggles you stood through, weaknesses you stood through, crisis you stood through, pressures you stood through. That, right there, is where character is developed. That is what defines our character. That is what makes you who you are.